So 1 second. Yes, I got myself a new lighting setup because I feel like my current light is not going to be very versatile in certain shoots that I'm going to be going for. So I actually went to buy this light from Aputure and I got the lighting from Cathay Photo here in Singapore. Luckily they have stock and then I just, went to the store and grabbed it. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for you guys. The lighting that I got was actually the Aputure C300D Mark II. So I came across this lighting at Tone House Studios where I actually used the light for mostly photo shoots actually, and then I was super impressed with it. I had to get one. I know I had to get one. Okay, here goes. Aputure. Aputure 300D Mark II. Okay. Out of the box it comes with... People are just gonna scold me because of the way I unbox things, Yeah. That's why do not ask me to unbox things. This is the carrying case. I heard that this carrying case is actually very stable. Ready? I never thought that I will actually own an Aputure lighting until today. So thank you Cathay Photo for reserving one unit for me. Thank you so much. So the moment you open the bag, everything is laid out nicely for you guys. This is probably the mount. Just mount the light stand and then you should be fine. Okay, we have the power cables. This is the, it's labeled red color, Fresnel. Okay, power cable. We are in Singapore, we are using UK plugs. And we have the light itself. Okay, what we like about this is that it can go 360. Yeah, see this? Wow. You can just keep going, man. Cool, right? Do you guys like the smell of new things? I think I'm damn weird. Controls. I think you can actually pair up to 1, 2, 3, 4 lights, I guess. Yeah. Nice. Okay. And I actually also get another thing. It's called the light dome too. Okay, but anyway, I just need to push this thing aside first, okay? Alright. This is the light dome too. Okay, so it comes with a carrying case. Yep, got everything inside. The gel mount, everything. Oh, very big leh. This light dome is actually so big. Can you guys see? Like, look at that. Probably the worst at setting up all these kind of things because of my very limited video knowledge, but I will make do. Okay, I'm probably gonna switch up the lights and see whether you guys can tell the difference. You can find this kind of lights in Lazada or the E27 bulbs, and I've been using for 6-7 years now. So it's time for an upgrade. Yeah. Okay, I'm switching up. Okay, this light is currently in the same position as my previous light, so let's see how far it can go. Same settings on the camera, never change. So I'm gonna slowly increase until it is probably about the same exposure from just now. Okay, so as you can see, how many percent is this? I go and check, okay? This is at 10% right now. 10%, alright? Gonna try to increase slowly. Okay, let's see 100%, okay? Oh my god, I think 10% is fine. Anyway, what do you guys think? Do you guys like this lighting right now? 10%, and I can do a lot more with the rest of the 90%. If not, you can always like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my channel, stay here, press the notification bell, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, whatever, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye. I off. Bye.